Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something super practical that I think everyone can benefit from. We're talking travel safety at the airport. Look, I've spent more time in airports than I care to admit, running to catch flights, dealing with delays, the whole 9 yards. And over the years, I've learned a thing or two about how to stay safe, stress-free, and actually enjoy the experience. We're not just talking about the obvious stuff here. This is about the next level. The insider tips and tricks that can make a real difference when you're navigating the chaos of an airport. So, whether you're a seasoned traveler or just starting to plan your adventures, stick around. Let's do this. When you arrive at the airport, make sure to keep your belongings close. For example, always keep your passport and boarding pass in a secure, easily accessible place. Also, be aware of your surroundings and report any suspicious activity. Engaging with airport staff can also help you stay informed about any changes or updates. Remember, staying alert and prepared can make your travel experience much smoother. If you found these tips helpful, please like, subscribe, and share your own airport safety tips in the comments below. Let's help each other travel safer and smarter. You've got your boarding pass, you're feeling good, ready to conquer the world. But wait, what's this? Departure Hall A? Where the heck is that? Don't be that person frantically running through the airport, dragging their luggage behind them. Seriously, check your departure hall before you even get to the airport. Like, the night before while you're packing. I've been in situations where I've shown up at an airport only to realize my departure hall is a mile away. And trust me, it's not fun. And speaking of not fun, let's talk about arriving early. Give yourself way more time than you think you need. You'll thank me later when you're sipping a latte, relaxing at the gate while everyone else is stressing. Okay, let's talk luggage. We've all been there, staring into the abyss of our suitcases, wondering how we're going to fit everything in. And then comes the dreaded moment at the check-in counter when you realize your bag is overweight. Here's the thing, you don't need half the stuff you think you do. Seriously, pack light. Lay out everything you think you need, then cut it in half, and then cut it in half again. I'm telling you, you'll survive. And while you're at it, do yourself a favor and check your airline's luggage weight restrictions. These can vary wildly, and the last thing you want is to get hit with a hefty fee at the airport. Your back and your wallet will thank you. Look, I love a good airport people-watching session as much as the next person. But let's be real, airports are basically giant petri dishes. Everyone's crammed together, breathing the same recycled air. It's not exactly the most hygienic environment. That's why it's more important than ever to be mindful of social distancing, even when there's not a global pandemic going on. And when you're walking through the airport, be aware of your surroundings. Don't be afraid to give people a wide berth. Remember, a little bit of distance can go a long way in protecting yourself and others from getting sick. Let's be real, cash is gross. It's covered in germs, it's bulky, and it takes forever to count out. Plus, who wants to be fumbling around with bills and coins when you're trying to make a quick purchase at the airport? That's where contactless payment comes in. Seriously, this is a game changer. Just tap your card or phone and you're good to go. Trust me, once you go contactless, you'll never go back. I'm not going to lie, I'm a bit of a germaphobe, and airports are basically my worst nightmare. You've got people coughing, sneezing, touching everything in sight. It's enough to make your skin crawl. That's why I never travel without a bottle of hand sanitizer. Seriously, this stuff is liquid gold. Keep it in your pocket, your purse, your carry-on. You never know when you're going to need it. Before you eat anything, after you touch anything, just sanitize. It's a simple habit that can make a big difference in keeping those airport germs at bay. Traveling with a companion can be awesome. You've got someone to share the adventure with, someone to help you navigate those confusing airport signs. But when it comes to luggage, it's every man for himself. Okay, maybe not that extreme, but seriously, don't make the mistake of putting all your eggs in one basket, or in this case, all your belongings in one suitcase. What happens if one of your bags gets lost? You're both stuck without any of your stuff. Not cool. So, here's the plan. Divide and conquer. It's a simple precaution that can save you a lot of headache and wardrobe malfunctions down the road. You've packed your bags, you've checked in, you're feeling good. But before you send your luggage off on its merry way, there's one more crucial step, sealing the deal. No, I'm not talking about negotiating a better baggage fee. I'm talking about securing your luggage with a good, old-fashioned seal. Think of it as an extra layer of protection against prying hands, accidental spills, and general airport chaos. It's a simple step that can give you some peace of mind knowing your belongings are a little bit safer. Plus, it makes your luggage look way more official. For all my fellow backpackers out there, this one's for you. You know the struggle is real when it comes to navigating crowded airports with a backpack. Loose straps get caught on everything, zippers snag on unsuspecting passersby. It's a recipe for disaster. But fear not, my friends, there's a solution: the backpack cover. This simple yet ingenious invention is a lifesaver for any backpacker. It's basically a waterproof, tear-resistant cover that slips over your backpack, protecting it from the elements, spills, and general wear and tear. Trust me, your backpack and your sanity will thank you. The moment of truth has arrived. You've made it through security, you've resisted the urge to buy overpriced snacks, and now you're eagerly awaiting the arrival of your luggage at the baggage carousel. But don't let your guard down just yet. This is a prime time for luggage mix-ups and even theft. Keep your eyes peeled for your suitcase, and once you spot your bag, grab it and go. Don't linger around giving someone the opportunity to snatch it. Air travel can be dehydrating. The dry cabin air, the lack of humidity, it all takes a toll on your body. And let's be real, nobody wants to arrive at their destination feeling like a dried-up prune. So here's your in-flight mantra: hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. Bring an empty reusable water bottle with you through security and fill it up once you're through. Trust me, your body will thank you. Let's be real, airport lines can be the absolute worst. They're long, they're slow, and they're filled with people who seem to have forgotten how to walk in a straight line. But here's a little secret. There's a way to beat the system, and it all comes down to choosing the right line. Look for the line with the most business travelers. These seasoned pros are experts at navigating airport security. Trust me, following their lead is like hitching a ride on the express train to your gate. You've made it to the baggage claim area, and you're eagerly scanning the carousel for your suitcase. But wait, something's not right. Your bag looks different than you remember. Or maybe it's not there at all. Whatever the case, if you have even the slightest suspicion that something's amiss with your luggage, do not touch it. Instead, immediately report it to airport security or airline personnel. It's better to be safe than sorry. Your carry-on bag is your best friend when traveling. It's your lifeline in case of delays, lost luggage, or any other unexpected travel hiccups. That's why it's crucial to pack it strategically with all the essentials you'll need to survive a flight and a few hours or even days on your own. We're talking medications, electronics, chargers, a change of clothes, and any other must-haves you can't live without. Trust me, being prepared for the unexpected can make all the difference in your travel experience. Luggage tags are like the business cards of the travel world. They tell everyone where you've been, where you're going, and most importantly, how to contact you. But here's the thing. You don't want to give away too much information, especially when it comes to your home address. Instead, opt for a luggage tag that has a closable flap, concealing your personal information from prying eyes. And if you're really feeling cautious, you can always use your business address or a post office box instead of your home address. Airports are stressful, there's no way around it. Delays happen, flights get canceled, luggage gets lost. It's all part of the travel experience. But here's the thing, you can't control everything. What you can control is your reaction to the situation. So take a deep breath, channel your inner Zen master, and try to stay calm. Remember, this too shall pass. This one should go without saying, but I'm going to say it anyway. Never, ever leave your luggage unattended. I don't care if you're just running to the bathroom for a minute or grabbing a coffee from Starbucks. Your luggage should be within your sight at all times. So do yourself a favor and keep your eyes on the prize. And there you have it, my friends. My top travel safety tips to keep you safe, stress-free, and ready for anything the airport throws your way. Remember, traveling should be fun. So the next time you're navigating the wild world of air travel, keep these tips in mind. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel advice. Safe travels, everyone.